Do you know your ABCDs? Can you tell me the ABC?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Okay, good. So in piano we have from A to G. Now, how do we know which note is which? Do you see these black notes?
Yeah.
How many are there? Two. And over here? Three. Okay, so we're going to find the 2. And the one right next to it is going to be the C. Very good. Okay, so this is the C. I'm just going to write it for now. What comes after C? D.
E,
Then E. Then F.
G.
G. Okay. So we only have till G, right? So what comes after G again?
A,
A. We come back to A.
B,
B. C. And it keeps going on.
E,
Okay.
F,
F. And
G,
G. Sorry.
A,
A.
B,
C. See? Again, the 2 black notes. And right underneath it is a C. So how do we find the A? Do you know how to find the A without writing all this? See, we see the 3 black notes. Okay? The middle note of the 3 black notes, right underneath it is the A. Okay? Can you find the A over here? 3 black notes, and right under, that's the A. See, so this would be A, and this would have been B, and again C. Can you find it over there? Wonderful. So that's the A. We have the B, and then, of course, the C right next to the 2. Okay? Understood? F, and after G comes A again. Understood? Now we're going to learn how to do our finger counting, finger numbering. Okay? Can you put your both hands outside? Spread it out. Even the other one. Don't erase it. Just put the other hand out. Baby, the other hand. Okay. So, this one, our thumbs, is going to be number 1.
1.
Okay. Our index finger, these pointy ones, one that we need to point with is 2. The middle finger is 3. The ring finger is 4. And this pinky is 5. Okay, understood? So tell me again, which is number 1 in your hands? Which finger is number 1? In the other hand also? Good. Which is 5? Good. Which is 3? The ring, yeah, this one, the big one, and that one. Okay, good. Now, which is 4? Which is 4? Yeah, that one. The ring finger. And this one? This one. Okay, understood? So that's numbers. Okay, now let's learn how to read notes. Shall we do that?
Yeah.
See this?
Yeah.
Do you see the sign?
Yeah.
This sign is known as treble clef. Can you say that? Treble clef. And this is known as bass clef. Okay. So in music, we have lines and spaces. How many lines do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many spaces do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Understood? Okay. So, most important one is C, the middle C. Remember this? The middle C of a piano? Alright. So, the way we find middle C is just under this line. Okay? Over here. Now, the middle C always has a line going through it. Okay, we'll have a line going through it. So, like that. Okay? It will be, let me just draw it. It will be like that. Which note is this? It is the middle C. What comes after C?
D.
D. So we'll have D, that is going to be right under this first line. And what comes after D?
E.
E. E will be sitting on top of the line. Understood? So what is this?
C, D, E.
Good. Okay, let's try again. Which note is that?
S, E.
Good. Which note is this?
E.
C. Which note is that?
D.
C. How about that?
D.
Look where it is. It's crossing the line.
E.
E. So this is just one step up. Okay?
And D.
This is C. When it is, okay? C will always have a line crossing it. Okay? Now try playing this on the piano. It's not going to make a tune, but let's see. Can you play it? Come over to the piano. So, put your first finger, that's your thumb, on C. Second finger on D. And third finger on E. Okay, so this is how we're going to learn to play the 3 notes. How do we play the C? With our first finger. D and E. Good. Good girl. Okay. Let's just play this crazy notes that we have written, okay? So what is it first?
C.
Yes, so you put your number 1 on that. Which is number 1 finger? Yes. Okay. Then what's the other note? D. Good. Then E. Which note is this? The one C. Good. Then D. E. Again. Then
D.
no. The last note is C. Very good. Let's make some more crazy notes. Okay, Naisha. Mama's made some more crazy notes. Can you read it for me first? What's this?
D. 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 E. E. E.
Now, try to play it on the piano. Okay, I've written it for you, right? Very good. Okay? Wonderful. Mama's made more notes. Can you try to read it? Read. What does it say?
E, D, C, D, E, 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 D, 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 E, E, E.
Okay, can you play it?
Okay. E, D, C.
Slowly. Play it 2 times. Play the same notes 2 times. Again from the start. Very good. Do you know which song that you were playing?
Now I have a little lamb.
Harry had a little lamb. That's so good. Naisha, can you read the last line again for me? This one? Read. What does it say?
E, D, D, E, D.
Okay, now just play this part of it. Where's E? Very good. Now can you play the whole song? When you play this line, play it 2 times and then 1 time of this line. Alright? Can you do that? Okay? Where's E? Where's E? First find C. Where's the C way to?
Here.
Where's the C? Good. The C is right here. Give me a high five.